Hello everyone, today is Christmas Eve and today I got the Starbucks Iced Sugar Cookie Latte and I'm really excited to try this. It's really windy outside, I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it's a nice cold Christmas Eve and everyone's in that Christmas spirit. There's tons of cars out doing last minute shopping, which I'm gonna go do right after I have this, so I'm excited to get into this. It's a blonde latte. Sugar cookie oat latte too. It's made with oat milk. I should have mentioned that. That's pretty cool. It's the future. So it does have a few little sprinkles on the top there. Not sure if you can see it. I kind of swished it around. I don't know if they dissolved or whatever, but it's festive and it's cool. And it's supposed to taste like a sweet sugar cookie. So I want to try it out here. Let you guys know what I think. Oh wow, yeah. That strongly tastes like a sugar cookie. Really good though. It's a nice latte, but it kind of feels like very similar to an iced coffee. There's not a huge difference between them, especially if the latte is a blonde roast. So it tastes like a sugar cookie mixed with iced coffee. I mean, that's kind of implied, but it's very sweet. You get that taste of the sugar cookie first, and then it kind of tastes like coffee afterwards, which is really good. I like that. Really cool. All their festive drinks are always really special and nice, and I really like Starbucks for doing that, coming up with these cool little drinks and making it a festive holiday season. Oh, that's too good. It's incredibly sweet, but it doesn't, like, if you drink it, don't feel like it's like artificially sweet. It actually tastes like a sugar cookie, so that's pretty big because there's a lot of drinks out there that claim they taste like something, but they're very artificial and it tastes artificial. This tastes pretty naturally like sugar cookie, so super cool. I like this drink. It's really good, and I know it's a really cold day out, but still getting it iced because, you know, iced drinks are good too. I like both, a hot latte or an iced latte, but sometimes an iced latte, it just hits right, and especially with a drink like this, the sugar cookie, I really liked it cold, so. Yeah, it's really too good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give that a 9. I really like this drink. The sugar cookie oat latte has that authentic sugar cookie taste. So if you have those during the Christmas season, this drink's gonna remind you just of that. And that's why I like some of Starbucks drinks, is because of the nostalgia that you get from drinking them. And it just makes it all that much better. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Have yourself a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, as today's Christmas Eve. And I'll see you in the next video.